This is Bashkort language for English speakers, and today we'll speak about cuisine. Bashkorts like to drink tea. Tea is say. Say is tea. And you know, this is teapot. Teapot is seynuk. Seynuk, teapot. So for example, you can understand these words. Say is tea, seynuk is teapot. And let's put tea into our cup. And for example, in Bashkort language, you can say min say isam. Min say isam. It is translated as I drink tea. I drink tea. Min say isam. Min is I, say is tea, isam is drink. In English, you can say, for example, I'm drinking tea or I drink tea and so on. But it is much more simpler in Bashkort language. We don't have present continuous or present simple. We just say, min say sam, I drink tea. And let me drink tea, min say sam. It's tasty. But you know, Bashkorts prefer to drink tea with milk. Milk is hut. Hut. This is hut. Milk. So let's drink tea with milk. I'll put some tea here. And I'll add some milk. Hut. And for example, if you want to ask somebody, do you want to drink tea with milk? You can say, hin say hut minan isahinme. Hin say the hut minan isahinme. It means, do you want to drink tea with milk? And the person can answer, yes, I'd like to drink tea with milk. Iya, min say the hut minan isam. Iya, min say the hut minan isam. So, you know, it is tea with milk, sorry. So, say hut minan. I will drink tea with milk. Min bu say the hut minan hadar isam. And you also see this is little spoon. Spoon is kawak in Bashkort language. So you can say, take your spoon and eat jam, for example. It will be kawakты al hem kaynatma aşa. Jam is kaynatma. But some Bashkorts say varenье, because it is very close to Russian language, varenье, and the same word is in Bashkort language, varenье. But sometimes Bashkort can say kaynatma. So, if you want to say jam in Bashkort, you can say both words, kaynatma and varenье. It will not be a mistake. And these are pancakes. You know pancakes. In Bashkort language, these pancakes are blini. In Russian language, they are blini, but in Bashkort language, they are koymak. For example, I can eat koymak with kaynatma. Koymakты kaynatma bilan ашайм. I take jam and put it on pancake. Okay? So, this is pancake with jam, and it will be koymak kaynatma bilan. And of course, Bashkorts also drink water. Water is ho. This is water. We will put it into glass. And let's drink a little bit of water. And you also see candies here. These are candies, Rafaela. In Bashkort language, we use the word kanfit. Kanfit. Candy is kanfit. Because in Russian language we know the word konfeta, but Bashkorts decided not to use the word konfeta. They decided to use the word kanfit. So candy is confit in Bashkort language. Let me just repeat some words which you already saw on this table. First of all, flowers. Flowers are seskeler. One flower is seske, a lot of flowers are seskeler. Seskeler. Seskeler üstelde tora var. Flowers are on the table. Seskeler üstelde tora var. This is cup, sınayak, sınayak, cup, sınayak. Little spoon is kavak, beleke kavak. This is pancake with jam. Kaynatma menen koymak. Koymak is pancake, kaynatma is jam. Confit is candy, confit. Tea is say. Tea is say. Milk, hüt. This is hüt, milk. Cows give milk. Hıyırlar hüt bireler. Cows give milk. Hıyırlar hüt bireler. It's just for your better understanding. So we have also, for example, one fruit here. It is apple. Apple will be alma. This is an apple, bu alma. This is an apple, bu alma. And so, as I already said, Bashkorts like to drink tea with milk and eat honey. Honey is bal. Bal. If you come to Bashkortostan, you will see a lot of souvenirs, and lots of souvenirs are connected with honey. Bashkorts eat honey, and they have very good Bashkort bees, which produce this Bashkort honey. Okay, so let me drink this cup of tea with milk. Min saydı hütmelen istim. This is tort in Bashkort language. This one, and in English it is tort. So I guess that's enough for Bashkort language for English speakers for now. You know a little bit new words in Bashkort language, and let's see next time, and goodbye and good luck. Oh, it doesn't work. Let me try it one more time. Уныстар херге тугандар һәм кардәштәр.